Hello everybody, I am Peter on my old account. You can tell it's an old account. And I got logged out of it, so there it is. Yes. So guys, LW/WL got scammed. But happy Cinco de Mayo. And today we're gonna be breaking piñatas. Or piñata! Oh, na. Instead of candy, it drops gems and sometimes a rare special drop. I wonder what that rare special drop is. Okay. That's horrible. I mean, that's good, but killing llamas that are colorful is horrible, you know? I like how it spouts out like that, like, boom. And these are so easy to get, but it's so rare. Yeah. Because the drops of the thing is so rare. So, we got 18, and now we got 9, and we're getting so much gems. Oh, we got a pianta back. That's the first time I didn't know that they dropped the pianta. Okay. I just got these rings for free for being a member for a year, but I've been a member for 425 days. Past a year, but it's still kind of close to a year. So we're looking all of these. Can't believe I didn't get the rare drop yet. Got the pianta again. I wonder what the rare drop is. Oh, so I didn't get it, but I got so much magic stuff. I'm gonna put what time you can skip this because I'm not recording. So yeah, I'm gonna find and the time where you can skip all this if you don't want to see it is gonna be. Well, actually, I'm just gonna pause the video. Really be what bit. Okay, so I was only able to get one, so I'm still so. So we're still gonna. I can see my little skip. So we're still gonna say that. So we're gonna. I feel like that. Okay, everybody used that one, so that's the 8. Yeah. Okay, so you get rid of you. Uh. Well, I don't like people seeing that little one piece of dirt right there. That's nasty. Okay. Plus, we gotta make this fast because people can scam. We're gonna get so close to it too. Okay, I'm done. So we're gonna. I know what the rare item is. This is a butter arrow, but we didn't get none. So that's so we're gonna, and we're gonna do a not giveaway, do a thing. We're gonna buy the booster. So it's gonna be like a plus. And I never get no clothing. I always get this stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna still keep on getting piantas, but I just won't record it because I'm trying to get 30 in the next 20 hours. So yeah, boy, don't be sad about it, bro. Bye. We really need some music with this. Okay, bye.